Every work that you have done in this life has wages, payment. Bad, payment. Good work, payment. What Awolowo has done to the Igbos, I'll tell you, it will never be raised so quickly in history. It is written on a marble of history, and it is still remaining indelible. It remains indelible until Jesus Christ comes. Awolowo continued his onslaught. The Igbos were killed, their children were patrolled in their large numbers, until in 1970, when the pogrom escalation stopped. We all started coming out from our various hideouts. What happened? If you went to the bank, the banks all over Nigeria will give you only 20 pounds as an Igbo man. Where does that lead us today? To prosperity. An equal prosperity on the continent of Africa. The Igbos become more prosperous tribe the more. God used all the money we lost in the bank across Nigeria to prosper us the more. And where is Awolowo today? I don't know. But God knows good work deserves good payment. When you turn your back on your brother that has not done you any evil, God is the one that will fight for him. Wake up, all you from southwestern Nigeria. You've done the Igbo this kind of bitter things, and God has risen up to help the Igbos.
Okay, but we see, just like I said, Dr. Ngozi, said the Nigerian military should leave the Biafra land. That the Nigerian government are working with the European government, like of France, to extort gas and oil from the Biafra land. But we see Russia, aiming to support, Biafra as regards this. What's your take as regards
that gas pipeline that ran from Imo, that ran from Anambra and other southeastern states region to Europe? It is going to be what? Cut, broken, vandalized, destroyed very soon. Ask me why. Russia is getting interest from southeastern Nigeria. His mom, Russia interest is piling up. Russia want to be the conflict, part of the conflict of the fact that Nigeria, extorting gas, crude oil that belongs to the Biafran land, without a compensation, without fear, with much impunity. Biafra is doing that, but Russia is coming. They should wait for Vladimir Putin. Vladimir Putin is coming. Russian president, when the war started in 1960s, early 60s, was this man. I couldn't remember the name of the man, but the argument, the debate between the Russian president and Ojukwu could not work, because the Russian president then wanted 10 years contract. They would use Biafra oil for 10 years before they leave. It seems so staggering and crazy to Ojukwu that could not, agree with the Russian, president's, request. And that's why Russia left Biafra land and joined Nigeria again. But today we've seen that the world has come of age and advancement. Biafra is not going to do anything like disagreeing with Russia or America, Israel, even any other country. Again, Russia should come, and they have come, and we have engaged ourselves into this negotiation. Nigeria has lost out. Nigeria country is as dry as desert, very, very dry. So what happened is that we are aligning with Russia to stop Nigeria from selling our gas the more to the European countries. No matter what France does or is doing right now, no matter what the Great Britain is doing right now, that gas, that oil, we are going to disappoint them, because Biafra is now a sovereign state. Come what may, Tinubu administration has crumbled, because Tinubu himself is clueless. He doesn't have what it takes to lead a country. All he knows is siphoning and stealing, siphoning our money. I'm telling you, there are many evidence, clinical evidence that he is not working, very clueless. That's why Nigeria economy is dilapidated. Everybody in Nigeria is suffering today because of incompetence of the man in charge of this present administration. Let me tell you, the Igbo has gone far to suffer so much under Nigeria. And we have come of age and experience. It is the high time that every politician from southeastern Nigeria should be asking themselves question. What are they doing in the house? Both upper and lower legislature. What are they doing there? they should begin to retract from partaking on this. Any government, any administration that comes to be in this extraction called Nigeria. It is high time the Igbo man in the house should brace it up that Biafra has come and everybody should go. Everybody should be thinking about going to Southeast because we can never remain with these people.
But do you think the backing of Russia and Trump, United States of America
It
president,
is yielding result already.
Yeah.
They said it is artificial intelligence. No, Trump is looking towards after finishing with Russia and Ukraine. If peace, tranquility, because Tinubu himself is clueless. He doesn't have what it takes to lead a country. All he knows is siphoning and stealing, siphoning our money. I'm telling you, there are many evidence, clinical evidence that he is not working, very clueless. That's why Nigeria economy is dilapidated. Everybody in Nigeria is suffering today because of incompetence of the man in charge of this present administration. Let me tell you, the Igbo has gone far to suffer so much under Nigeria. And we have come of age and experience. It is the high time that every politician from southeastern Nigeria should be asking themselves question. What are they doing in the house? Both upper and lower legislature. What are they doing there? They should begin to retract from partaking on this. Any government, any administration that comes to be in this extraction called Nigeria. It is high time the Igbo man in the house should brace it up that Biafra has come and everybody should go. Everybody should be thinking about going to Southeast because we can never remain with these people.
But do you think the backing of Russia and Trump, United States of America
It
president,
is yielding result already.
Yeah.
They said it is artificial intelligence. No, Trump is looking towards after finishing with Russia and Ukraine. If peace, tranquility envelopes those countries, Russia and Ukraine, America is coming on such rapid speed to come and quell the fire of animosity burning, against the Igbo man in the southeastern Nigeria. They are coming. Something must be done about the kind of injustice going on in Nigeria now against the Igbo nation. Trump has said it. It is not artificial, intelligence. It is not generated artificially. It's a live broadcast. I'm telling you, America, we have lobbyists in the House of Congress. We have lobbyists within the American lawmakers. We have lobby. Robert, the Chief Justice of the Federation of the United States of America, I think he knows about Biafra. Then Mondia, because the name of the Attorney General again, he knows about Biafra. So what happened is that on a round table talk, we are going to discuss the destiny of Nigeria. Nigeria is no longer an entity. It has been dismembered as a sort of religion division, ethnic division, tribal hostilities, and the political bigotry. We are no longer a nation. And a nation that could not stand as one. The only solution is that everybody should go. And Biafra is going. In fact, Igbo man has gone, leaving Nigeria on their predicament.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, sorry, lastly, the middle belt have come out and said that Igbos should rest, that is their turn to become president, that they've had their own numbers of time of wanting to become president, but they've not gotten theirs, but it's their time. Do you think that middle belt have a candidate that can really push Tinubu to the limit?
They have all it takes to push Tinubu out. One, Tinubu is not doing the right thing. He's not, yes, he's not competent to handle Nigerian political leadership. He's not competent to at least carry everybody along as a charismatic leader. All Tinubu knows how to do is to bring down Lagos, hold Lagos as handkerchief, put it inside his pocket, and that is where his political prowess, ended. It has not gotten out of Lagos domain contest. It is within Lagos. That's where he's an expert. Yes, but not all Nigeria. Entire regions of this country. Middle Belt has what it takes to edge him out. After all, Middle Belt and the North, Fulani and the outside, they have been what on the limelight of Nigerian political leadership for years. So come what may, Middle Belt should fight for what is theirs. I will never, criticize Middle Belt or look down on them. They have every right, and they have what it takes to struggle to fight for what belongs to them.
Honest statement one want here for Southeast and Southwest. It's a negative talk. They maybe they not bring them, and you can't stand. Tinubu should go and know the agreement when do with them. They can go suffer because Nigeria don't even want to hear whether agreement or no agreement. Nigeria don't even want to see them anymore. Nigeria is just waiting for 2027. Make they pack their package and go because we don't tired to hear any of their talk. Every day, talk. No answer, no action. Talk now one chop. We can't chop talk now. Tinubu don't fail. Woefully. No be say no. Tinubu don't get A, don't get B, don't get C, don't get D. You don't get W. Can you imagine that kind of statement? And you're a president, every day you see people increase. You see someone who don't care for the masses of a nation. How does this call one? So be they put you there. Okay, now people put you there now. Okay, now they buy them say they don't do Sharia. Sharia now they know, but we don't already decide. Me and you don't decide. All Nigeria don't decide. See, nobody will stand for their back. That's the end of discussion. They have nowhere to be found anymore.
But we've seen, these people, these Sharia people, or the Fulanis, elders. We've seen say they don't come out with different method of say they want to open grazing, to ranching, to even water bid. They want pass different law, but this thing never come and work. You know to say that's why they frustrated.
They must be frustrated because that deal has been exposed. See, when you have been exposed when Buhari was there, he said there was a law, open grace. He said the whole farm for the whole Nigeria land, upon the invasion of Nigeria farm, killing Nigeria, raping our women, destroying our crops, killing us unnecessary. You see, want to sign a open grace law. And then Nigeria, when Nigeria come outside and voice, he go run. So now nobody will just come for your place, come to your land and say, implicate Sharia law. Who be Sharia? Who you be? Where you come from? You be spirit, you be human being. They will chase you out. Now you are freedom now for us to chase any illegality out because with the hungry, with the verse. Everybody hungry, everybody start on the truth that you know that will protect your people. Who know the way they hold that one and small. They will hold all of us. Can they hold all of us? Is it possible to hold all of us? It's impossible. You can't hold all of us. Now we don't know say yes, your agenda is not exposed. So we eliminate all. We are Christian, we are not demon. We are God sent. We are from God. See, we are not killers. Somebody that will cheer a pregnant woman one side, we pick it for inside belly. Then one more will go follow. We will not be follow them. It's impossible. No matter their trick, we will chase them out. It can't happen. It can never happen. Okay, so, and the president body language will say, if he try him, they go banish him. They go banish him. Even though for the house self the hot. The house will say implication in policy is a disaster to his whole community, because of the generality of Nigeria. If they woefully so want to bring more suffering, do you know me of Sharia? They will not tie you for everywhere, control your household. We are wise enough for it. It's not allowed.
So what do you think the governors and the politicians in the Southwest and Southeast, what do you think say they do right now as the gas?
See, they should gang up against that illegality law. They should gang up and against and push it out. Otherwise, they themselves will be pushed out. They will have nowhere to be found. They will have nowhere to be found. But now they have the capacity and the power to say, no, it's not allowed in my environment. Because my environment is my environment. My environment is different from your environment. So what my environment need is what they need from millions of years ago. Don't try to bring any inferior complex on here. Everybody will lose. So they have to think reality against tomorrow. Tomorrow. Because today is already seen. Tomorrow will never shine. But maybe they do reality. We're going to make tomorrow be good for them and for us. Otherwise, they will run away. They will run away. And who will accept them? Now the people will accept them, go slaughter them. So they have to think twice and do the right thing the right time.
For the Fulani, but do you not think that just like as the Fulanis now they talk, do you not think say if Tinubu not really come out try help them implement this thing, they not go vote for him come 2027?
See, God will bless you. You talk about Tinubu come 2027. Tinubu days are not bad. We don't even want to hear all those kind of language because Tinubu himself he even bad past them. So what are you saying? Say they go vote. They vote, they don't vote. We don't go vote. Except there's a dramatically change of policy when Nigeria will now feel the sense of belonging. I will not look okay, now we are in democracy. Government for the people, by the people, for the people. Now it's only government by their colonies. We are not included. So that's why they don't care about our suffering. That's why we are saying, come 2027, their name will be cancelled. Their name will be cancelled. See, me and you can come outside tomorrow. And we